Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Complicated relationship of Aditya Narayan and Neha Kakkar. Neha Kakkar and Aditya Narayan are both married to their respective partners now. Neha Kakkar tied her nuptial knots with her Nehuda Vyasong co-actor Rohan Preet Singh. On the other hand, Aditya Narayan got hitched to the co-star of his debut Bollywood movie Shapit, Shweta Agarwal. While they are currently very much happy with their respective partners, but the relationship between Neha and Aditya has turned sour. In Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh's wedding and reception, Aditya Narayan was not spotted at all, and also in Aditya's reception, Neha Kakkar was not present in the guest list. Both of their absence from the other one's reception created a lot of buzz and raised multiple questions among media and people. Aditya Narayan and Neha Kakkar worked together in the 11th season of singing reality show Indian Idol. The makers decided to show a love angle between the judge Neha and the host Aditya Narayan to gain TRP through their banters. This worked really well and the chemistry between the two was widely loved by people. Later they even got casted opposite each other in Tony Kakkar's song Goa Beach, where amazing chemistry was spotted between them. Then why, even after sharing such a great bond, they did not invite each other at their grand and lavish receptions? Well, if the recent reports are to be believed, then it is guessed that a bond grew between Aditya and Neha while faking love angle for TRP. Reports suggest that they really became close to each other and it did not go down well with Shweta Agarwal. Shweta Agarwal was angry upon Aditya, which is why he took a step back from his closeness with Neha. Even while announcing his wedding, Aditya revealed that he and Shweta had faced many ups and downs in their relationship. Maybe one of the downs was this phase between Neha and Aditya, which made Shweta furious. This led their bond to become sour and it ended in an ugly note between Neha and Aditya. Which is why none of them invited each other in their wedding reception and now they share a very complicated relationship. These are all just speculations and no sources close to these stars have confirmed this news yet. What are your thoughts? Share with us in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.